Today's tutorial, how to set page orientation and rotation in .NET C#. How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to set page orientation and rotation for PDFs using the IronPDF library in C#.NET application. Ensure that you have the IronPDF NuGet package installed in your project. If not, you can go ahead and do so via the NuGet package manager. So let's move on to the program.cs file. And we'll begin by importing the IronPDF namespace and setting the license key for IronPDF. Instantiate the Chrome PDF renderer, which will be used to render a web URL into a PDF. Configure the renderer to change the paper orientation. So, for example, change the orientation to landscape by setting rendering options.paper orientation property to PDF paper orientation.landscape. The default is portrait. Render a web URL to a PDF document using the render URL as PDF method of the Chrome PDF renderer, and then save the PDF as landscape.pdf. You can load the generated PDF file using the PDF document.from file to perform other operations. Set the rotation for all pages in the PDF using set all page rotations method. This example rotates all pages clockwise by 90 degrees. Set rotation for a specific page using set page rotation method. And here, page 1 is rotated clockwise by 180 degrees. You can set rotation for multiple selected pages using a list of page indices, such as a list of pages between indices 0 and 3. And now, using the set page rotations method, set rotation of selected pages to clockwise 270 degrees. We'll save the modified PDF document with rotations applied as rotated landscape.pdf. Optionally, you can retrieve the rotation of a specific page using get page rotation method to perform further rotation tasks if needed. So let's go ahead and run the application and see how the pages are oriented and rotated in the resulting PDFs. The PDFs are generated, and here you go. The landscape.pdf is oriented in landscape orientation, and in the rotated landscape.pdf, the pages are rotated as applied in the code. By following these steps, you can effectively manage page orientation and rotation for PDFs using IronPDF in your .NET applications. We invite you to explore more advanced functionalities of IronPDF for versatile document manipulation tasks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.